So, born January 8th. Maybe I'll weigh them on the way over to you.
Sure. But names yet to be determined.
Right, we're going by colors right now. Maybe I'll have them named by today. 139. That's very good.
Purple, did I say?
This one's blue. This is the only male, I think. So handsome.
Go. Did you check all their mouths?
Nope.
That's a good one. Just wanted to keep her.
I did check their weight after. I checked their weight every few hours at the beginning, and they were all latching and all nursing.
Oh, good boy.
And so I did.
You're purple. How much do you weigh, purple?
I forget now. I think it was 123. Let's try again.
Sorry.
124.
He grew just like that.
Hi.
Just make sure we have no orange in here.
I know. I didn't even want to look because I was like,
I don't want to look. They're gaining weight.
They're
It must
gaining
be
weight.
good.
They're doing fine.
She just look at. Hi. Oh, I just love you.
So she's gained 15 grams yesterday and 12 grams so far today.
And blue was 139, you said?
Yep, he was 102 at birth, so he's gained
102?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
She's got some good milk.
There, Mom. Oh, you gonna take her back?
It's okay, we'll return her for you, don't worry.
Her heart sounds great. Her Helen's good. She's a keeper. Hi, you're so cute. Okay, you wanna go back? I'm sorry. We'll meet again. You'll like me better.
And number 3, this was our little teeny tiny one. 77 when she was born. 109 today.
That's so good right there.
I know. Or 79. 79 and 109. Did I say 109?
Mm-hmm.
That's how long my memory lasts.
Hey, Piggy, you're not. Say hi. Oh. You're good. You're good.
Kitten perfection.
Sounds good.
Don't worry, we'll put it back.
You're so cute.
know, so cute.
So many spots.
I got to meet their dad. He, right after his neuter, and blood typed him. He was type B, and very handsome tabby. Let's see who's next. Yellow. Okay. $126. So that's a gain of 35 grams since birth.
Wow.
Good job, Mommy. You've got good milk in there.
No kidding. Little face. Good job. I take one more time.
Oh, time to put this one away.
Oh my gosh.
Hi. It's all right.
Yay! No murmurs.
That's good.
So cute. I'm gonna go back here for you. I'm kind of tabby too.
You know, so cute. So cute. Lots of little uteruses. 118. 118. Okay, that's acceptable. And that's up from 89 birth weight.
Wow.
So 29 grams since birth. That's very good. And you can go back and see your mommy. Here you go, Mama. You made some very noisy kittens.
I love tabbies. Can I peek one more time? I kind of did the roll. Okay, one more. Looks good, it looks so good. Hi.
Keep an eye on you.
It won't hurt her. Oh my goodness. 5 perfect games.
No, how long has it been since we had that happen?
Okay. Was I right on the x-ray?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you were. She likes the catnip pepper. I was trying to give her spicy foods to help her. Spicy cat shaped foods, shaped toys to help her have her kittens. But it didn't work. But she likes her pepper. She has a pepper shaped catnip toy that she likes. She comes out and kicks it in between feedings. Don't you? Such a nice kitty.
She's a really nice cat.
She's
when you-
so sweet.
Yeah, brought her in on New Year's Eve. Hey, she's just purring.
Rory's very sweet too. She's just initially is nervous.
She's keeping an eye on me.
She's in the tent.
Her pupils are pulled.
Mm-hmm.
So they watch you.
Yes. So cute.
How many days before did she actually get milk?
I wasn't checking when her milk came in, but she definitely had it in when they arrived.
Mm-hmm.
And it was good milk. She's so cute.
She's a really sweet cat.
Mm-hmm. She's been a good mom too. She popped them out so fast. It was like an hour, a little over an hour. All of them. 3 kittens, no placentas. They were like braided together. This was exciting. And then the last 2, and then that was it.
So fast. They just line up.
I know.
They're good little school children.
Mm-hmm. They're very well behaved. A little rowdy at the milk bar, but they seem to be managing pretty well. Collars are still good. Yeah, so they seem healthy.
Can almost take Stanley's vibrate. Almost.
Stanley gets one more round of blood work, and then Annelle is not pregnant on the other camera, which is good, which means she can be spayed and go home. And hopefully Rory will get a home. We need a home for the Rory. Oh, she's so sweet. Come and tell everybody how good you are. So adorable. Little nurse. She's so cute. She hangs out in the nest with the kittens.
Probably used to it. They had lots of kittens in the house before.
Mm-hmm. And her uterus was also used. She's so young. She's young too, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was looking at her teeth. We needed to clean them pretty good.
Mm-hmm. No grooves or anything really even. So Dr. F from Mountain View Veterinary Hospital. House calls. we did some blood work on Mason, and which is nice for him, so he doesn't have to go in the clinic and get all stressed out.
Yes.
So that is good. We're very grateful.